So you guys really seem to like the last episode of Friday Night Flights, so I think this is pretty much going to be a thing every Friday that I'm able to edit all this footage. Just to give you an idea of how many videos I received, it's like over 30 videos were submitted to be seen on the next episode of Friday Night Flights. I've seen videos from literally all over the world, and while I would love to include all of them in this episode, it's just not going to be physically possible. So if you don't see your video in this episode, I will try to roll it over to the next episode, but doesn't mean you can't still submit. I'm just randomly selecting these, so it doesn't mean if you get it in there first, you're gonna get there. I am honestly just randomly selecting it to try to keep it as fair as possible. But a lot of awesome videos, so thank you so much for putting it out there. Just to give you a rundown of what this is Friday Night Flights. This is where you submit your video, 45 seconds or less, and we get it seen here for basically everybody to see. And you get a shout out via your social media tag. I include links to your YouTube channel or wherever you want people to see your videos or footage. Or if you don't have a YouTube channel, doesn't matter. Just a couple of things here really quick. You don't have to be a master editor to submit your video. Doesn't matter. You can submit raw files even, doesn't matter. Don't have to have any music attached to it because we're just overlaying one basic generic track to keep the flow of things. And yeah, that's it. So how you get here, submit an email at info@originaldobo.com. Tell me your name, drone you use, location, anything else specific like social media tags, etc. And that's it. But other than that, guys, enjoy episode number 2 of Friday Night Flights. We'll see you next time.